Hey everybody, it's your good buddy Sid here, and today me and my good buddy Mittal are going for a trekking. Murakkad is a location which is 90 kilometers away from here. It seems like he is not down yet, but he will. This motorcycle I am taking for ride today. We called it El Diablo or the Devil in English because with this Proliner full system exhaust, this bike screams over 200 decibels as a matter of fact. Mittal will be here in couple of minutes, but I used to live here until 2018. I have nice memories at this place. We just met, I forgot to record, and now we are heading out to get breakfast. We have done with breakfast and tea, and I need to refuel my bike, then we'll finally start our actual ride. This is my favorite road. Actually, our destination is Brookhgad, and from Khopoli we have to take right towards Pali Road for 40 kilometers. So quite enjoyable road. People in that Wagoner must be scared very badly. Mittal is enjoying this weather, but I am worried a little as this road is very slippery and I have hard compound racing tire which is made to do lean cornering but on summer day in afternoon time and not to ride fast on this full tarmac. But don't worry, we warm up those tires. By the way, one more guy is joining with Himalayan and he is Vivek Bhai. We rode together in 2019, but today he gonna join with his Himalayan. Stupid dogs. He's getting halt for something, but he wants me to pass. Mittal! You know, Mittal was completely unaware about I was waiting for him, and so he was riding fast to chase me, and I was chasing him to tell him that I am behind you. So actually we were chasing each other, but now I finally chased him and we are now reached Karjat. This is a newly constructed road to Khopoli from Karjat, and I am showing this road for the first time on my YouTube channel. I know he's gonna stop for some photos. It looks like we're gonna have massive rainfall in our way. Just met Vivek Bhai, so now we have 2 Himalayans and 1 R15 in our group. We are again taking a breakfast halt for Vivek Bhai and then we'll continue. This is Mumbai-Pune Express Highway. This is one patch I wanted to show you, but overall the road is good. Only some bad patches are in between good roads, so there is not a problem, as overall road quality is very nice. We have decided to switch our motorcycle, so you know what it means. I am going to ride this famous Royal Enfield Himalayan. One thing I noticed immediately when I started riding this Himalayan is how comfortable this bike is and how high I am above the ground. It is not first time I am riding Himalayan, but first time back to back from Super Sport, so it feels quite comfortable. Let me take it on a bad patch. Absolutely nothing. This is purpose built motorcycle to do that actually. setup is weatherproof, I have to say. I mean, look, we are riding in pouring rain, but phone is on, the map is on, phone is also charging, and he used GoPro Hero 7 just like me. So that's why this motorcycle and this setup can take you any long journey. Means you don't have to stop until you want to stop. That is a good thing, and that's why he was able to go to Leh Ladakh solo for the first time. It is an epic thing in itself. Where is Google Maps taking us? We don't have any idea. But this bike is so capable for any tarmac. When you trust Gmap blindly, this happens. But anyway, we had quite funny halt here. But look, my bike is absolutely filthy, and we're gonna get back for 200 meters only. Not a big deal. Look, we are now at a river crossing, but not Ladakh style. We have just a bridge to cross. We have reached our destination for today, and in 5 minutes we'll start trekking.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking about the secrets true. Now I'll never back the word that I would find anyone like you.
Okay, this is the top point. We enjoyed this trek. Sorry, haven't recorded much here, but we are very pleased that we came here. About half an hour we got here, we got some snacks, and now we're gonna go down, eat something, and then get back home. We had great lunch at this place. Vivek bhai is ready, Mittal is ready, my bike is warming up, so we are now leaving from here. That's all about the plan. It was very well executed. I hope you like this video. Catch you next time on Motovlogger Series YouTube channel.